San Diego Connect.
Hi, we're talking with Dr. Timothy Bailey of AMCR Institute of San Diego about the challenges of living with type 2 diabetes. And doctor, I know there have been a lot of recent technological advances that have really helped people who are living with this disease, aren't they?
Yeah, we're really excited about the things that have come now.
What are some of them?
Well, one of them is called a sensor. In other words, being able to measure your blood sugar. There's other technology you can measure your activity.
Now, I know that there are already blood tests. People, prick their finger and they can use the blood and test. That's been around for decades, but how is this new stuff different? And what's the most exciting one you can think
Well,
of?
poking your finger once a day and checking in another day and connecting the dots doesn't really tell you much. There's just so many things that's going on in your life. So now we have technology called continuous glucose monitoring or glucose sensing, which you can have numbers every 5 minutes. It sounds overwhelming, but what it really allows you to do is connect those dots. And so you can see the effect of exercise, the effect of eating, right in real time.
So it really reflects what your blood sugar is at any one particular time, and this is technology that doesn't involve sticking you in with needles?
Well, it involves like a patch that you might wear. But it doesn't involve the otherwise painful sticking every single time and lots of blood.
That is amazing. And I know there are other things as well, because managing diabetes isn't just managing glucose. There are a lot of other things. You talked about lifestyle.
Right, so you need to lose weight, exercise, and those can be monitored. There's online platforms that can help you track these, encourage you to coach you. Other things is you also have to manage your cholesterol and your blood pressure. And there's other things like depression.
Depression. Now, I know we're going to talk about more of that in a future segment, but when you talk about depression, now you're talking about an emotional issue, not a physical one.
Right. So it's your whole health that's important. And a lot of times when people don't feel well, it could be their diabetes, it could be your blood sugar, it could be your cholesterol, it could be your high blood pressure, it could be even your other medications, but it could also be that you have depression.
Because so often when you have type 2 diabetes, you have all these other complications in concert. Doctor, thank you. I know AMCR Institute is working very hard and diligently to research all of these things and treat all these things. So if you want to enroll in a study or just find out more about type 2 diabetes, call 877-567-2627 or go to myamcr.com.